Bismillah. Hello and welcome to WHU Productions. And on this channel, I talk about freelancing, graphic design, and animation tutorials. So, if you are someone who wants to know what is freelancing but cannot get wrap your mind around it, then I will tell you in this video. So, if you are new to the video, then please subscribe for more amazing content. Now let's talk about what is freelancing. Well, freelancing is basically working for different clients and selling your services to them. So essentially, the whole world becomes your client. Although freelancing is a very broad category and contains a lot of skills, but I have mentioned a few over here, which includes graphic design, search engine optimization or SEO, article writing, web development, video editing, digital marketing. There are a lot of freelancing platforms, but I have mentioned a few over here, which are very common, which includes Freelancer, Guru, Fiverr, 99 Designs, Upwork, and TopTal, and there are others as well. So I'm not going to go into detail about everyone, but I will discuss Fiverr because on Fiverr the new sellers are very common, and it is very helpful for new sellers. And you will be surprised that people are selling some of the most craziest things on Fiverr, like will say anything as Spider-Man for $5. I will play Fortnite with you for $5. I will say anything in an anime voice for $5. I will sing happy birthday for you for $5. I will hang upside down from the door for $5. I will take a dump in front of you for $5. Maybe the last two don't exist, but you get my point. Now let's discuss why freelancing. So as you can see in the coronavirus pandemic, the many businesses have been shut down and they are working on a bare minimum. So it helps if you have some short skill in mind and you're earning a slightly bit of income with that, even if you do not want to go into freelancing for 100%. So these short skills can be from any field. For example, if you talk about graphic design, then short skill in that would be just learning to remove a background in Photoshop. So you can sell a Photoshop background removal gig on Fiverr. And for other categories, there are also short skills as well. And this basically takes just 15 to 20 minutes and maybe 1 or 2 days of practice, and then you can master these. So essentially, if you are thinking of doing freelancing, then there will be two ways for you. One is the long-term skills and second the short-term skills. In these long-term skills, you have to devote 3 to 6 months, and this is most suitable for people who really want to take this as a career, and this they want to make this as a major source for income. And for short-term skills, you can just watch a few tutorials for 15 to 20 minutes, and you can practice these in 1 or 2 days, and then sell your services regarding these. So guys, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, then please leave a like and comment below if you want to see more content like this. Please subscribe as it really helps and costs you nothing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks so much for watching.